This way of life didn't begin with us, and it won't end with us. Raising cattle is one of humanity's oldest callings. That work continues here.
Agriculture, for me, this is the way our population sustains. This is the way we feed our families. This is the way we feed other nations, where if we're not sustainable in what we do and how we do it, then we won't have the quality of food that we need in order to thrive. My name's Megan Erickson. We're fourth generation ranchers here in Hornitos, California. We take our cattle that we raise here from birth all the way through harvest, and we find families for each one of those animals so they can have ranch-raised freezer beef for their families.
When we're working cattle, we have to keep in mind that it's real important that we are good stewards of not only the land, but of the animals that we take care of. For these animals to have a purpose, and the people that have a purpose, and God is allowing us to do this so that these animals at the end of their lifespan can provide nutrition to families like ours. My name is Tom Erickson, and my wife and I operate Hornitos Beef in Hornitos, California.
Family is really important to us, and this lifestyle, which has been passed down from generation, from Tom's side of the family, we have grandmas and grandpas, and my brother's in the cattle industry. My dad is in the cattle business. Tom, we have distant relatives that are in the cattle business, is something that we do together as a family. When we get to take what we love to do and take our kids with us to work every day, we have a lot of togetherness, so it's not always fun and happy, but we always get through it, and it's always something that I've never regretted homeschooling or being self-employed. We raise beef for families like ours. Honest food, raised right, and shared together.